guys, this is Liz with Mom's Machines, and you may be wondering why I have my S9 Plus with a golf ball taped to the top of it. The golf ball is making it run, so let's check out what happened. So after pressing the button a few times and getting this kind of result where the robot just kind of sat there or told me an error code, I went into the app and I could see this error code, unable to start, and it says reinstall Frederick's bin. And then also I got this thing, unable to start and close the lid. So let me show you how actually I didn't resolve it. I won't resolve it in this video, but I will in for other videos. So let's get going.
Here we go.
Okay, the error has started again, and I am doing what the directions say, and it says to make sure these spring in and out, and that's the right one, and then that's the left one, and they're both coming back out. So I'm going to push it back in. There it goes. After doing what customer service told me to do, which was take out the bin and test those little springs on the side, I opened the lid and you see these little copper colored little things. You have to actually get a toothpick and kind of pull up on them just very gently. You need to make sure you don't pull them out or ruin them. So I did that, and it didn't really help. And so let me show you what happened then. Okay, so it's running again. It's intermittent. I'm just having it do the basic clean areas, but it is running. So it stops and then runs again. I did take the bin out and play with those little springs on the side that the directions told me to. So see how long this lasts. Hey, I got the code again, and
reinstall the bin, then press clean.
So as you see here, it did run and it says ready to vacuum. The error code went away, but after a few minutes it came back. It says unable to start, close the lid, or reinstall its bin. So then what I did, I just called customer service and told them what happened. I think they didn't charge me for doing this, but they sent me a washable bin, which is the little dustbin that you take out, and also the light ring assembly, which is the little lid that you lift up to get to the bin. So they're going to send that to me, and in the next video you will see what I did to fix it or what happened. But in the meantime, I am going to use my golf ball and keep it running. So that's the way it just kind of holds it down, and clean my house while I'm waiting for the parts. Golf ball on the vacuum. No closed lid sign on the app. Let's see if it actually does it.